Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a recipe of mine, turkey cabbage rolls. If you haven't yet seen my mukbang of me eating these delicious cabbage rolls, please go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link in the description box down below, and I also have a pop-up here for you to click on. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do. All you have to do is click that subscribe button and also the notification button. It'll let you know whenever I have new videos up. And then if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and comment in the comment section down below. All right, enough talking. Let's get to it. So before you start cutting anything, you want to take your noodles and soak them in hot water. This is the brand I usually use, but you can use any brand of glass noodles. With this brand, I use 5 bundles. You want to soak them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the noodles have softened. Go ahead and set them aside in the meantime. After that, start boiling some water for your cabbage heads. You want a big pot with enough water to submerge your whole cabbage. You'll see what I mean in a bit. You can either use regular cabbage or savoy cabbage, like the ones I'm using here. What you want to do next is cut out the bottom root part of the cabbage. Be careful when you're doing this part, don't cut yourself. Sometimes it's a little hard to cut through the regular cabbage heads, but all you gotta do is cut a triangle shape and connect all the sides. Then use your hands to push out the center. The trick to this is to cut it at an angle so the middle is easier to pull out. Once you're done, do the same with the other. Once your water is boiling, add one of the cabbage heads and submerge it. What you're doing is kind of blanching it, but without plunging it into water afterwards. You're also softening the cabbage so it's easier to roll and steam. How do you know when to take it out? You have to kind of help break it apart one by one. Once you see that the leaf is soft, go ahead and take it out. You also want to rotate the cabbage so all sides are soft. Be careful not to leave them in for too long. They will break apart. And just keep doing this until you get all the leaves from the cabbage head off. After that's done, you want to check your noodles. Make sure they look like this. Go ahead and drain all the water out. Then take a pair of kitchen scissors and cut them into small pieces. I'd say 1 inch to 2 inches is fine. Then set that aside and cut your veggies. Cut the tips off the green onions. Rinse them and finally chop them. Next, do the same for the cilantro. Rinse and finally chop. Now we are ready to create our filling. Start by adding the ground turkey first. Then add the noodles and give it a good mix. Next is your veggies. After that, you'll need 1 tablespoon of salt, about 1 tablespoon of black pepper, two tablespoons of the Panda brand oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of the I think it's Thai or Laos oyster sauce. If you can't find both, then just use 4 tablespoons of the one that you have. Add 4 eggs and mix, mix, mix. Then you're all done. Oh, one more thing. When you're blanching your cabbage and you get to the very last of the head, the leaves are going to be too small to use, but not a problem. Don't throw them away. Take them out and finely chop them into small pieces and add it to your filling. Okay, now we're ready to start rolling. Your leaves should look like this. Now, because the end parts don't get as soft, you want to cut it off so it's easier to roll and eat. There are 3 ways you can do this. First is to cut it out in a triangle. Add your filling, and roll. Ta-da! Second is to just slice it at the bottom straight across. Or third, instead of cutting the bottom off, you want to cut the end in half to make it thin and easier for rolling, just like this. It's easier to show you than explain. Then just repeat this process until you run out of cabbage. There you go, all done with the cabbage rolls. I forgot to count how many I was able to roll with the 2 cabbage heads. I want to say maybe 20. You will most likely have leftover filling, but no worries. You can make meat patties. They are still so delicious. Just take a fistful and form them into thin hamburger-shaped patties. And that's it. Once your water starts boiling from your steamer, neatly add the cabbage rolls. This is the steamer I bought from an Asian market. I'm sure you can find it online as well. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. However, you could use any steamer you have. You just might have to steam a little less at a time. This is a 2-tiered steamer. You want to steam them for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want to make sure the ground turkey is fully cooked. Once they're done, gently take them out and put them on a serving plate. After steaming all the rolls, you can now steam the meat patties. Just steam them the same way. I hope you guys enjoy this video and give this recipe a try. Good luck, you guys! Okay guys, so I am finally done cooking the cabbage rolls. Let's go ahead and give it a try. First, let me give you guys a close-up like always. That's how it looks like. If you guys can see, focus. Let me just block my face. Now I have my hot sauce on one of them and the other one is just plain. If you guys have not yet seen my hot sauce recipe, oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. If you haven't seen it yet, I will leave a link in the description box down below as well. But yeah, oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. Let's go ahead and give this a try. You know what, let's try it without the sauce first. So good. Oh my god. This is amazing. You can taste all the ingredients that's in there. It's so soft. Very juicy too. This is like, you guys, this is like a healthier version of egg rolls. If you love egg rolls, you gotta try these. Oh my god, so good. I can eat like 10 more of these. You don't even need the sauce. Just the cabbage rolls by itself is already good. But if you are like me and you love spicy food and you just have to have spicy food, go ahead and add a sauce. That sauce just makes it like 10 times better. You get a little bit of the sourness from the pepper. Because in the hot pepper sauce, in the hot pepper sauce, it's fish sauce and lime. That's it, and then the pepper. So you get that sourness from the pepper sauce, and then just all the ingredients that you put into the cabbage roll. Oh my god. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and learning how to make turkey cabbage rolls. I really hope that you give it a try. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook at MEplusEVERYTHING. And then also, if you are not yet subscribed, please do. I would definitely appreciate that, and you will get more content from me coming soon. More mukbangs, more recipes, you name it. And then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and share and comment down below. You guys know the drill. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.